I'm here for Mr. Morales,
Okay,
and I'm covering for his attorney Stephanie Alonso. She got her times mixed up. She's flying in from out of the country and is actually arriving later today. So she asked me to cover for this bond violation report. She asked if the court would be able to roll into Monday, as she will be here for his Monday setting.
I'm not going to be here at that point, and so is the defendant here now?
He is, Your Honor. He's here in the jury box. Would you like him to come up?
Please.
Okay.
The one thing I told you not to do was what? Right. You've now picked up a new case. Not only that, I ordered you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs on your first case, and you now picked up a DWI. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Do you mind reading me what happened on the DWI, please?
Yes. On June 12th, 2026, officer observed the defendant's vehicle, driving in lane 2. And the defendant then began to swerve and failed to maintain a single lane, swerving into lanes number 1 and lanes number 3. The officer then initiated a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle, and observed the defendant had hypertensive eyelids, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and a moderate odor of cannabis coming from the vehicle. The defendant advised to smoke marijuana around 1 hour prior to the traffic stop. The defendant then exited his vehicle and was changed. Standard right tests were conducted, 6 out of 6, HDN, 5 out of 8, block turn, there 4-1 stand. And a breath test sample was gathered with the results being 0.00 and 0.00. But at that point, the officer had formed the opinion that the defendant was under the influence of depressive stimulants or cannabis.
Okay. Mr. Morales, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You will be tested 40 days from today. If you test positive for anything, including alcohol, including marijuana, then I'm going to put you back. I'm putting you in jail today because you picked up a new case. I told you not to pick up a new case. You picked up a DWI. You will go to jail now. At some point, you're going to probably be let out. But I'm telling you now, you will be tested 40 days from today. And if you want to continue to play this game, we will. Every time, double, triple, quadruple, quintuple. Do you understand? Okay.
Your Honor, in the alternative, I was gonna ask for the court to consider the GPS ankle monitor and alternative for taking time on it.
I can't, it's a DWI. I mean, and I told him not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I mean, really.
Yeah, and just so the court knows, there is an affidavit of non-prosecution on the existing case. The state has just released an 911 call. The state said they need to eval the case. And on for bond on this new case, Your Honor.
Let's talk. His bond set at 5,000 now. I have to go higher than that, but you tell me.
Oh.
It's set 5,000 now, so.
I'm sorry, the assault or the?
The assault.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was a PR bond, right, Your Honor?
Let me see. I don't know. Let me.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just revoke the PR bond. Are you sure?
On the assault, it was a PR bond.
But what about when he got rearrested? Did they give him another PR bond?
No, he paid a surety.
So
bond
surety,
on the
okay.
case. He indicated that he has up to $800 to pay for a bond. He already paid $500 on the DWI. He's here with his mom, indicating to me he does have family support. Obviously, she heard the court as well.
What do you want?
If it's a PR, I guess if the court wants to leave it at 5,000, yeah.
Well, he just paid a surety. I have to go higher to revoke it.
Higher than 5,000, okay.
Tell me.
6,000?
Okay. 6,001. Okay. I'll do it. Acquiesce, but You need to warn him that in the event that he picks up another case, if he tests positive again, I'm going to go bananas. Yeah. Okay. You got it. I'll do
All
that.
right, thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Good to see you.
You too. Always a pleasure. So no. Now he's going to get a scram. He'll get a curfew of, I don't know. What are you thinking, stinking?
He indicated he started a new job, that a stripe, putting the stripes on the roadway, so the hours are a little weird. I told him he would need to get verification for every shop, so
I mean,
for
I think
now, maybe
10 is
10 p.m.
sufficient, 10 to 6.
10 p.m. to 6 a.m.
If anything changes, just let me know.
Notify pre-trial.
But I'm not letting him out in the middle of the night. That's for damn sure. You know, and then just no alcohol or drugs test in 40 days and we'll go from there.
And are you also looking the bond on the DW?
Did he get a PR bond on that?
Yeah, sure.
No, I'll leave it as is. Yeah. Okay. Great to see you. Hi, Stacy. You ready?
Yes. Today I have Mr. Leo Alvarado. I think he already left for COS. I just wanted, you told me I can come back and address his twice a week testing. He's been testing since April 2nd, so.
How has he been doing?
He's been testing negative.
Okay, so we'll do once a week randomly. Yeah, okay.
It's left it on him. And then the other case I have is Mr. Xavier Henderson, who's in Georgia. I was appointed last week. He got a DVR because he failed to get his device.
Did he get a device?
Oh, is this Mr. Hernandez?
Henderson.
Oh, sorry. Henderson, he did not.
Mr. Henderson, come up.
He told me that,
It don't matter. It just, he didn't get the device.
okay, well, I did report to know that he did just get hired at IH.
Great. He didn't get the device like I told him to, you know, I get it. Mr. Henderson, we have bond conditions for a reason. This isn't about what you want to do. You have bond conditions. We place bond conditions on for a reason. This is your 4th case within 3 months. No, more. I'm sorry. You're going to jail.
Yes, sir.
He goes with you.
That was it, Judge.
All right, thanks. I don't know, Stacy, what should we do?
Sarah gave me an offer yesterday.
No, as far as a bond. Would you want something in particular?
I'm sorry.
As far as a bond, want me to place a new bond?
Yes, please.
Yeah, what?
2000.
Okay, 2001.
Yes.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Ready?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hey, good morning.
I've got Sammy Shaw on the docket today,
Sure.
cause number 2600629. We had submitted a mitigation package with the DWI application, then submitted the schedule.
Yeah,
The evaluation on the 13th. So
of next month.
up to one.
Yeah, that's a really long time. Is he here now?
You can ask him, who's here?
No, is Mr. Shaw here now?
Yes.
Okay. Karina, have you seen the mitigation package on Mr. Shaw? We have a division sheet now, so she may be able to approve it now or deny it. Since he's here, we can send him to go get it done. That way it's silly for him to have to come in a month to get it done if he's here now. We might as well be efficient and send him to do it now. And that way we'll just waive his appearance going forward, as long as he just gets what he needs to get. And then today can literally be his last day here.
He's got to pay some fees and stuff, so I don't know.
They can be paid later. It doesn't have to be now.
Yes, sir, I have it here. All right, go ahead and sign. I can look at it right now and make a decision for
Yeah.
us today.
Okay, thanks. If you can give me a little bit of time, she'll make a decision. If she's good with it, we'll send her to go get it now, and then we'll give you 2 to 3 weeks to finish it up. Yeah,
Just stand by.
just for a couple minutes for her to take a look, please. Yeah. Okay, all right. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Hey.
I have a plea for Mr. Tenderholt.
Okay. All right. Good morning, Mr. Tenderholt. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The state is now moving to reduce it to a first. However, it is still a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. Is it true or untrue that you had a .15 or above in this case? The agreement that you have worked out is 1 year in Harris County Jail, and that will be probated for 18 months. This will now make number 2. What happens on number 3, Mr. Tenderholt? You're looking at 10 years in prison if you pick up a DWI. And you don't have to be stupid drunk to just pick it up. With your record, an officer pulls you over, they smell alcohol, they smell any kind of dope, it's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand? For the rest of your natural born life, if you have a sip of alcohol, I wouldn't get into a car. It is a huge risk. The agreement is for you to complete a TRAS, which is an evaluation to see what conditions you may need. If they assess under any further conditions, you must fulfill them. A DWI education, repeat offender course, 2 victim impact panels, no drugs, no alcohol, substance abuse treatment as indicated by the TRAS. You must maintain a guardian interlock, no breath test refusal. If you're pulled over while you're on bond or while you're on probation and an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it while you're on probation. No drugs, no alcohol, and one time a $50 donation to Mothers Against Drunk Driving. Is this how you understand the agreement? This agreement is important. You must fulfill everything and you must do it on time. If you fail to, we will issue a warrant for your arrest. I will put you back in jail. I'm going to bring you back out and we will have a hearing to determine if you violated this agreement. If you do, you are looking at a solid year in jail. Do you understand? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this until it's either completed successfully or gets revoked. You understand? All right, sir, I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement, send it you to it. It's a second. I'm going to suspend your license. I have to do it. I'm going to do it for the minimum, which is a year. Do not drive until you get a license. If you do well on and you're in compliance, we can talk about getting you an occupational. But that means that you have to be in compliance, doing everything well, being nice to your probation officers. All right? All right. Good luck, sir. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Fernandez. Three here.
Hello, Mr. Rivera. First name is Ben.
Okay,
Your Honor, on this case, I drove the ball. We applied for PTI, the government did send us the contract on May 19th. So it's my fault.
okay.
So
So where do we go from here?
I just need a couple of weeks for him to get to the interlock.
So everything else is, you have the contract.
We have the contract, interlock paid for the fee, and we'll be ready to go.
Okay, I mean, we'll give you 1 to 2 weeks, but that's it. If it doesn't get done in 2 weeks, I'm rolling you day for day. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, man. Have fun. Hi, come on up. Good morning.
I'm Mr. Giovanni Fuentes. Who has a bond violation for picking up the new charge.
Okay. Fuentes, come up. Does he still have an open felony warrant?
Yes,
Okay, I have to take you into custody. You have an open felony warrant, plus you picked up a new case with us. So he's on. You are now charged with violation of a protective order. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you, sir.
On June 13th, 2026, officers dispatched to a servant/unknown weapon call at approximately 1:13 a.m. At a residence in Harris County, Texas. The officer spoke with the complainant, and the complainant stated he was unaware of bond conditions, but was aware of the protective order, but did not know that it expired on June 13th, 2026. Complainant stated the defendant came home, they were having a verbal argument. Defendant then pushed him and struck him in the face an unknown number of times. Complainant had red bruising on the right side of his face, right hand, had red marks on both knees. The complainant said he wanted to press charges. The defendant stated that the protective order was no longer active, but he was not aware of the bond conditions. The defendant stated he got into a verbal argument with his boyfriend due to another man driving the defendant home from work. The defendant said he was trying to get his belongings when the complaining witness struck him in the face with a closed fist, not a number of times. The defendant stated he defended himself. The defendant had injuries, including bruises to the left side of his face.
This is the same complaining witnesses in the assault,
Yes.
same complaining witnesses in the mischief case as well.
yes.
Yes.
Mr. Fuentes, let me be clear to you, and I want you to hear me loud. You're now charged with violation of a protective order. I'm putting a whole host of conditions on you. You violate these conditions, I will have a hearing to hold you at zero bond until these cases are over. Do you understand? I'm now putting you in custody and I'm raising your bonds to $20,000 on each of your cases. I don't think there's any non-financial conditions that will protect our community. The only thing I have left is a high bond. And I don't know if you're going to bond out. If you do, you violate again. This time it will be a hearing at no bond. Do you understand? You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness, and you will get a GPS monitor. You're not to go within 1,000 feet of where this person lives or works. You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, not to be in possession of any weapons. Veronica, do you mind the tag so that it allows the complaining witness to know? You are bond denied on your felony now as it is. I don't know if you will be getting a bond there, but upon your release, you will get a GPS monitor. You will also get a curfew at 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. So you are not out in the middle of the night. I'm warning you. Don't endanger my community. Do you understand? Okay. I need him to sign conditions and then we'll, okay.
You said it's 20,000 on each one?
2004, because it's this fourth case, all four against the same complaining witness, really, or except for the, assault of the peace officer. But I guess just let me know. I mean, he'll auto-populate for Monday, or he'll probably go to felony court Monday. So I don't know, maybe Tuesday, 2003. And then just let me know. Okay, thanks. Okay, you ready? Hi, Mr. Vela.
Thank you, Judge.
We tried to get a hold of you. I'm sorry, late yesterday, but
Forgive me, Judge, I apologize.
no, it's our fault because,
But I'm here on Mr. Presa's case.
but okay.
He's in custody. The case is 700 and something days old. I just filed our substitution motion in.
Great.
I will not need much time at all ready on this thing. I put in an immigration request, advisal from Matt.
Okay.
He's got an ISO, but he's not a citizen. Or I'm not.
No. I'm going to give, I know it's old, but I'm going to give you time enough to do what you need to do,
Just
obviously.
one second, Judge. I'll get-
Yeah. Okay, done.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Judge.
Hey, if he does, I don't know if he's going to bond out, but if he does, we put bond conditions to put a GPS monitor, no driving, because I don't think he has a license, and
Yes, sir.
they scram as well in the event that prior to release, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
okay, thanks.
May I
Mr.
proceed?
Yes, sir. Hi.
Sammy Shaw, the prosecution is reevaluating the application.
They need more time.
Yeah, you need more time.
So-
We got a reset for July 1, but you can go today and get the T-Rush done either way. I think we ought to do it.
Is there any reason why it would be denied?
We check.
I don't want him
There's
to-
some other county, items on here. I thought I had covered everything in my, information package.
I'll give you time. It's not a problem. I don't want to really send him to go do a TRAS today if there's a chance it gets denied, you know?
Well, Judge, I advise that even if we do like a probation or something, they're still gonna require it to pass. So it will be able
Oh,
to if that's something.
right.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, I mean-
I would say let's do it.
Okay, yep.
That way, because he's.
Yep. Yeah, I'm with you. We'll send it today and then a week to decide and I'll waive it.
Yes, Judge.
If I'll waive his appearance regardless unless you guys want to do
You
something.
said right now for July 1st.
Yeah, I'm good.
So
Yeah.
leave that open.
Perfect.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Judge.
Okay, and then what does it need to take?
So he will meet with Shatori here shortly and then she's going to go send him to go get the TRAS done. And then that way it's about as sufficient as can be, you know?
Good. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Good morning, Your Honor. Approaching for Ashley Mendoza. It's a 21.
Thanks. Okay.
All right, Your Honor. So my client is not present today.
That's not good.
My client has given me authorization. My client is currently in a mental health hold. In Keywood. So I'm just asking.
Do you have proof?
I do. I spoke with Charlotte and Mary who confirmed that she's at that facility.
How long is she going to be there?
Uh,
So who is Charlotte and who's Mary?
Mary is the nurse that's assigned to my client.
Where is she? Is she at the facility?
Yes, sir. I can give you the name of the facility.
We know how long she's going to be there?
I do not, Your Honor. So what Mary was advising me, my client is on hold and they are waiting to transport her to a psychiatric facility.
Has she done anything toward the dismissal now?
No, Your Honor. Unfortunately, I did present the offer and gleaned that the capacity. Girls' capacity issues.
I guess let's set up for bond forfeiture for 1 week. And I need some kind of documented proof other than their word.
Correct.
Some kind of letter from the facility saying, hey, she's here. We have her. This is the expected release date. We just can't keep it,
Right, correct. Your
you
Honor.
know, and then not only that, I want proof other than someone's word. So
I
let's,
spoke with them right before at about 9:30 this morning. So
yeah.
I was able
So
to-
SFBF 1 week with some kind of physical proof and then an ETA and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So we have the RFAs.
Hey, Carlos.
Hello, Your Honor. Good morning. Thank you for letting me appear also, Judge.
Hold on, Carlos.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Deputy Williams. I need to hit the button to hear you, Carlos. I can't hear you just yet. Give me 1 second. Okay, say something.
Yes, sir.
There we go. All right. Who's your guy?
Mr. Granados.
Granados.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are we doing with Mr. Granados?
Your Honor, I was hoping the state would, accept the case law that we gave them and consider dismissing the case for there not being.
Oh, that's right.
A good stop.
They were gonna eval it for trial, right?
That's my understanding, yes, sir. I think they were gonna evaluate the stop, Your Honor, and we gave them about four cases that we believe supported our position.
Whose case is gonna? Yeah, he had given you guys something to look at, I think, to see whether you guys would kick it. I'll ask Karina here. Karina's talking to someone now, Carlos. As soon as she's done, I'll reach out to her.
Yes, Your Honor.
Karina, we're talking about Granados, correct. This is Mr. Rodriguez's client.
David Judge?
No.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah, David.
Okay,
Mhm.
yes, sir.
You guys were gonna take a look at it to see issues that he had, I guess, spotted for you guys.
Okay, yes, so we evaluated it, in regards to, I'm gonna pull up what the email was out there. He indicated that, traffic stop was bad according to defense. So we started doing some research and review of what we had. And we believe that we can still move forward with the case based on case law and the reason for the stop.
So ball's in your court, Carlos. What would you like to do? I think they said they can go forward.
Well, Your Honor, I'd really like to see if we could maybe set it for a motion to suppress or something like that, Judge, so that.
I mean, if they're willing to do a dispositive motion, then I'm down with that. Otherwise, I'd like to carry it with trial. Because I don't want to do a motion to suppress in the event that you lose, then we got to do it all over again. I've done that before and it's just so duplicative that it's, if they will agree to a dispositive, I'm down. But I don't know, is that something?
That's totally up to defense, because we're always okay with dispositive motion. And if he wants to do that and hopefully after, that's fine with us. We agree with.
Do you want to do a dispositive motion to suppress or do you want to set it for trial?
I would really want to do the dispositive motion to suppress, Judge, but since I'm not there, I don't suppose you could give us like maybe 5 days, Judge, so I could take care of this county and be back in Houston.
So Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday, Judge.
Okay, so we'll set it for Tuesday. Okay, on that day, you're over like 210 days old. So at that, it's bottom of page 13. He must either accept a plea bargain agreement or we'll set up for a dispositive or for trial. But knowing that if we do that, we're going to go. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
All right. Thank you so much for your consideration, Judge.
Granados? Yeah, I thought I saw him too.
You said the 23rd?
Yeah, Tuesday. He picked Tuesday, the 23rd, correct. Either set it for trial or set it for a dispositive motion to suppress. Or plea, one of the three.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, we're gonna bring him up to sign the reset and then we'll see you Tuesday. Carlos.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Y'all have a good day, sir.
Okay, man. We're just gonna have you sign a reset. No, this is being supervised, yeah. Hey, you ready? Yeah, come on up. Hey, good morning.
I'm here on Mr. Johnson, D. Johnson.
Yeah, okay.
We just need a trial date on the trial date.
Johnson, come up. So, Mr. Johnson, today is your plea bargain deadline. It's the day for you to accept whether you want to, or to the day whether you want to accept or reject the plea bargain. If you reject it, we set up for trial. That's okay. We are going to go for trial. We'll not accept any more plea bargain agreements after this time. Do you understand? Okay, so we'll set it, pick a trial date, but we are going, just doesn't matter, kicking and screaming, we're going to trial, okay? All right, okay, trial date.
And I have one other case, Judge.
Let me just make a docket notation real quick that 6.
Need Granados?
Yet sign a reset for Tuesday, yeah.
You know, Mr. Johnson, Judge, CW has been okay, so that's one of the main things.
To me, just if he wants to say it, he said it, right? But I just don't want to waste everybody's time, get a jury. You got to prepare for trial, she got to prepare for trial, and then we get, oh, I want to plead guilty. No. Not after all the drama. Okay.
Mr. Williams, K. Williams, Judge. He's worked on an agreement for PTI. I just wanted to let you know that.
Have you submitted it?
Well, it's a informal one. It's one of the ones where he has to do an anti-debt course 2 hours.
You're 210 days old. What has he done?
They just offered it today.
They offered it today. All right.
Because they've been unable to locate the CW on this one, so they just.
Got it. All right. We'll give you a week. He's got a week to get the theft class done. All right. If you tell him if he doesn't have it done in a week, I'm rolling him day for day till he gets it done. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
You got it. Thanks.
No problem.
Naria, come up. Miss Imam, come up.
Mr. Johnson. Hold on, brought them together, Judge.
Why not? I never was. I don't do it. Yes. So both of you have picked up criminal cases. Both of you have worked out agreements to dispose of these cases. Mr. Naria, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Your first got dismissed. Now you're taking a time served. If you pick up another one, it's now a minimum of 30 days in jail. No more proverbial slaps on the wrist. Do you understand? You're giving up and this applies to you, Ms. Imam, as well. You're both giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization, to give up the right to appeal. Once you accept these agreements, you are stuck with us. You can never change this or undo this. Is this what each of you want to do? How do you plead to the theft, Mr. Naria? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 6 days in jail, give you credit for 2. Miss Imam, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. This is a second offense. Am I right?
I think we were used to, so.
Did we do a T-Raz on Miss Imam?
Council for reset?
So this is wrong. Hey, this should be 365 days for, this is Miss Imam. Mr. Naria, we'll have you talk to the clerks. You're done. If you want to head on over that way. But this is it.
I can fix that. I'm not sure. I'll double check it right now.
So we need to refile the paperwork, but you're facing a year in jail, not 180 days because of the high blow. A 0.15 or above, you're facing a year in jail. If you get revoked on this probation, you are looking at every day of a solid year. I'm telling you now, if there are issues, you will be looking at a perhaps inpatient treatment facility. Do you understand? At a minimum, 9 months could be a year and a half of your life spent in custody at an inpatient facility. And just what's the wait to get a bed? It's like 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
I think it's about 3 weeks.
You would sit in custody for a month just waiting for a bed. Do you understand? If you use while you're on probation, it may be very well the next step. We only have so much at our disposal to try to get you to take the right path. If it doesn't work out, or if you refuse to, just comply, okay, we have different avenues, but the next one, because really, we've done everything that we can. There's just nothing left at our disposal other than inpatient treatment. Do you understand? You're charged with, it's a second being reduced to a first, it's still 2. You pick up another DWI, you will land in felony court looking at up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand? For you to complete this, the agreement that you've worked out is an 18-month probation. You must do an effective decision-making class, a repeat offender DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You must do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what other conditions you may need. Because of all this that has transpired between us, there will be other conditions. They may order inpatient, they may order intensive outpatient, I don't know. Whatever it is, you must fulfill it. You understand? No breath test refusal while you're on probation. If an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it. No drugs, no alcohol, a $50 donation to Mothers Against Drug Driving, and 60 hours of community service. You must also maintain a guardian interlaw. Is this how you understand the agreement? How do you plead to the DWI? Guilty or not guilty? And is it true or untrue that you had a 0.15 or above? So true to the enhancement. All right, ma'am, I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement, send it to it.
Is your license eligible? I refiled that one, the misdemeanor plea of guilty form, to correct it to 1 year.
Okay.
18 months.
Great.
Looks like her license is not eligible.
It's not, you're not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit not to drive. I'm going to suspend it also for a year regardless because it's a second. Do not drive. I'm telling you now, Miss Imam, one of the worst possible things you can do is get into a car and drive. If you violate any of these conditions, I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest. You will go back into custody and we will have a hearing. If you violate, you're either looking at serious time in custody, an entire year, who knows? But one thing is for certain is that custody is in there if in your future if you violate. You understand? If you have any issues, you can come back and talk to us. You taking off is also one of the worst things you can do. Do not consume alcohol. Don't use illegal drugs. Okay.
Judge, quick question. In terms of the suspension period, she's been on a training device for 4 months without any issues. Could you reconsider the length of time to suspension?
No, but once if she gets a portable device, then I'll switch it from a scram to a portable device.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Thank you, Judge.
But that on your portable device, if you skip blows, a warrant issues for your arrest. There's no justification that you can give for skipping. It doesn't matter if you're whatever. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Once she gets it, then we'll take off the scram and then she can have the portable device because I can't pay for it anymore anyways.
Of course.
So it'll be her responsibility. You can reduce her fees too. If it's still, we will need to verify that it's still operational, that's still being used and that's in compliance. If it is, then we can take the scram off. Okay, okay. Thanks. Hi. Yes, ma'am.
I have one there, that's on the document.
Okay.
So the state and I, we worked on a plea agreement. I wanted to see if you're okay with the further coordinate prior to taking the plea.
How long?
Any day after July 3rd.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Okay.
But understand though, he's still on conditions,
Yeah.
so he still has to remain in compliance and otherwise he's looking at a year.
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, I'm okay with that, sure, of course, yeah. Hey,
Hey, Judge McCroach,
good morning.
how are you good?
What's up?
Correa on your docket.
Correa.
This is one I was here last week with the issues with the discovery, so I got all the discovery already. Spoke to Chief this morning, she made 30-day offer or probation offer with 5 days as a condition.
Okay,
My question, Your Honor, is if we can reset just for like a week, just so he can talk to his bosses, let's get some time off from work, just so he can not lose his job, essentially.
Will you set it for the 29th, please? Yeah, yeah.
What's
Set
that
it
for the next judge?
Monday. I'm giving you more time than
Oh, I
that,
appreciate it.
but I want to be here for this. That's why.
I want to be for this too. Judge. All right,
So 29th?
yeah. no worries.
Okay, sure,
Thank you, Judge.
of course.
Yeah.
But hey, be ready, because if he's doing the 5 days, he's got to go in. So I'm giving you time so you can
Another
take,
question. Yeah, so then no deferred reporting day, like for Friday, he wants to do it on the weekend, like if jobs or if possible, like.
well, no, I'm okay with that. I mean,
Okay.
if he wants to, but I mean, it's not gonna be a long defer,
Correct.
right?
Yeah,
But if he wants to go in on Friday and then he'll do the 5 day, 5 it has to be consecutive, if not.
Correct.
Yeah, I'm okay, sure,
Okay,
of course.
thank you, Judge.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a level, right?
Yeah.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Please. You just filed a motion to sub?
Yes, sir.
I just signed it for you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Sure,
And
of course.
Can we have a short reset on that, Judge?
What was the last?
Discovery's complete, Your Honor. State has made a 1-year deferred offer, but she has a felony pending upstairs. So I want to talk to the felony attorney before.
Cook was the last name, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Stacy Cook.
Yeah, you're only at 125 days. I mean, you have plenty of time if you want more time than that. Yeah,
Thank you.
sure, of course. Hi. Yeah, of course.
What got something wrong with say?
Yes.
Come up, Mr. Henderson.
So the value is 625.
Has he done any other probations?
I did a pre-trial intervention back in 2024 or something. All the other ones have been.
Straight up, please. Like this. Well, I'm sure he's had the opportunity. He just doesn't want it. I can't imagine that they have not offered, especially like on the evading.
Yeah, he did one, and he completed it successfully. I think in 2020. Yeah.
I have grave concerns about this, Mr. Henderson, because if you get all this probation and you think that you're going to comport the way that you have while you've been on bond for the last 2 weeks, you have another thing coming. You're facing a solid year in jail. You say, yes, sir, but I don't think you get it. I think you're like a deer in headlights, man. You don't get it. We put you under bond conditions. You didn't even have the wherewithal to go even get the device. And now you're going to get on a probation where you're going to have to meet once a month. Really? You can lie to me, but you can't lie to yourself, Mr. Henderson. If you get on this probation and you violate this agreement, you not going, testing positive for weed, alcohol, having a weapon, not having a full-time job, picking up a new case, 1 year in jail. I'd like to do a TRS too. I think it's probably, we need to find out what's going on with Mr. I think it's probably prudent to do a TRS with Mr. Henderson because, you know, we have a lot of cases in a very short period of time. I don't know what is going on with you, but you are running to felony court, Mr. Henderson. Really, I mean, it's with your now on number 5 within a very short, you're running to either felony court or for a long ass prison sentence. You have 40 days to clean up. You will be tested 40 days from today. If you test positive for anything illegal, including marijuana, do you understand me? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. You understand? This is a good deal if you can complete this, because if you do, you do not end up with a conviction. But Mr. Henderson, you give up nearly every right known to man entering into this agreement. You violate by whatever minute thing it may be. You're looking at an entire year. You understand me?
Yes.
How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty. I'm going to withhold that for 8 months. You must do a TRAS. You must do an effective decision-making class, 8-hour anger management class. No contact with Miss Tom or Mr. or Miss Thomas. I don't know. Who is that? Okay. no contact with the complaining witness, and no weapons. You know, if you come back here on a motion to revoke, I'm going to see all these cases. I'm going to see all the chances that you've been given. And when we remember people, that's not a good thing. Do you understand? Okay, can you wait to see? If you have any problems, I would keep her number close. If you take off on us, if you pick up a new case, that's just about the worst thing that can possibly happen. Do you understand? Don't use illegal drugs. Okay. Stacy. Thank
Gotta call me. I'm
Hey,
Judge.
Mr. Casanova, thank you.
I'm here on, last name, Bartales,
Bardales, jail or bond?
jail judge. So, you're not gonna be happy.
You never know.
I mean, I was happy. It popped back up on my portal. I remember the kid, he originally had a motion to vote because driving around without a driver's license.
Oh, I remember Mr. Bardales. Okay.
So he's got a bunch of other violations.
He was tested positive for cocaine and alcohol.
Yeah, I think we knew this. Yeah, that's why we issued the warrant.
Yes, sir.
So-
And now he's here.
Where is he?
In custody, judge.
Oh, he's in custody now. So what I would recommend, let's do a TRAS in light of everything that's going on. How old is he? You know?
20.
It's too old for YMAC, huh? Can we do YMAC?
Well, I would assume because he tested positive for cocaine and alcohol and violations of the device, they might want to do this together.
I think that's
You can go there.
money.
I told him that was a possibility.
Yeah.
He has an apartment that he lives in. He's gonna lose everything if he goes to seven. I just want to point that out to the court. The other thing is that he right now, his residency status, it doesn't exist. I mean, he's applying to be a resident. So I don't know how that's gonna work with immigration. I just pointed all those things out for me. So I don't know.
First, let's not put the car to get in order first. So I guess let's do a TRAS. Let's see. I want to be here for this thing. Okay, so if we set it on the 29th? Are you okay with that? Not this Monday, but the following Monday.
Oh,
Are you okay with that?
yes, Your Honor.
Let's do that. Okay, we'll get the TRS and then we'll talk.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi. Do you speak English, sir? Tony. Mr. Mr. Martinez Garduno, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 9 days in jail with the credit that you have received. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you were not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This will now reflect as a conviction on your record. From now on, you will be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail should you pick up any more DWIs. Do you understand? How do you plead to this offense, guilty or not guilty?
Okay.
Is it true that you had a 0.15 or above? I'm gonna find this true. Did he get deported or has he been in ICE the whole time?
He has an ice holder. He's never been.
He is not. I'm going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license. And there's 6 days credit for what it's worth. Okay, good luck to you, sir. Thank you. Hi, Sebastian. Bond or jail? Okay, is this the one that we were talking about or?
This one was last week. You set it off because I had some leaves with some family members.
Got it. Okay, so I'll revoke the bond 5,001. And we'll see if we get them.
Yeah, and then just, I approached on Tuesday.
Oh, 5,002, sorry, both.
On all three.
On all three, 5,002.
And then I had approached on Tuesday about another note of peers or may have been in a psychiatric facility or anything about that. Turns out he is and has been at the psychiatric facility since he had bonded out. So.
Do you have proof?
So I confirmed with them, they're sending me stuff
Okay,
to do.
as long, you're an officer of the court, I trust you, Sebastian. As long as you've confirmed and you know it to be true, then I'm happy.
And he hasn't gotten discharged yet, so we'll wait to see once he gets discharged.
Do you know, you have an ETA?
They said 8 to 10 days, but obviously that can vary because he's.
So what's the last name?
It's Harvey.
Okay, so you saw in the first one, Victoria, page 18 and 19, 5,002 on all three.
Okay.
And then who was the other one? On Harvey,
He's not on the docket today, Judge. I need the docket or.
is it in warrant status now?
Yes, it's in warrant status. So that's why I wanted to see, once he does get discharged, we can just approach it.
Yes, yes, of course, absolutely. Yeah,
We
yeah,
can
yeah.
actually have it.
Yes, absolutely, of course. Yeah, okay, okay. All right. Martin,
Good morning, Judge.
hey, bud.
Judge, I'm here for a case that's set on Monday. It's for Miss Wilson. It's a appears required setting, Your Honor, and my client was on parole when she got her case. And she told them that she didn't have secure housing right now, so they sent her to Dallas to a halfway home.
She's on bond for a criminal case. They can't just,
They sent her up there, Judge. So I just wanted to
what's
see,
your cause number?
let me get to you, Judge.
Okay,
It's 262
okay.
2593.
I mean, I guess dude, the case is over a year old. No. I mean,
Just
really.
going into the case, Your Honor. It was a 2-week reset. You wanted her to present proof of employment. But I guess when she went for her parole check-in, well, I don't guess, she went and explained to them that the place that she had put as her registered address, she couldn't stay there anymore. So
I don't even show that she's on parole.
I have the document. I gave it to the state, Your Honor.
So we have to, the case is over a year old. We can't just keep neglecting it because we have to get her here at some point so that she can finish this thing once and for all, whether she wants to set up her trial, she's got to go through evidence with you. I guess I'll give her a week.
Okay.
She's got to be here in a week. We'll set up for bond forfeiture, but I mean, today's her arraignment day. Right?
No, I got appointed to her a couple weeks ago, Your Honor.
Wilson is set for Monday for a job, proof of job.
Okay, so let's set it for the 29th. Or the third, whatever day that week you want, I don't care.
That's when I.
We'll set it for bond forfeiture. She's got to be here. We got to, at some point, close this thing.
I understand.
Right, so just let her know.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Macy's.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Hey, good morning.
One Cardinals, Pettis.
Do you need a translator? Okay. Tony, can we borrow you for a second, please? Hi, thank you for coming and helping us. Mr. Perez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. It is elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You are facing a year in jail and/or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
On June 2026, officer observed a white Lincoln from his vehicle turn onto a public roadway. The car was driving unusually slow, and a witness stated it had occurred and was driving all over the place. Defendant then parks the vehicle and officer made contact with him. The officer could smell a strong odor of alcoholic beverage from the defendant's breath and person, who had glossy bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and poor balance. Standard field sobriety tests were used, and breath test results were 0.252 and 0.246.
Priority to the eyes. Does he have any priority to the eyes?
Let me check. I don't see anything.
Mr. Perez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Does he have a license to drive?
I don't see one on here. I can run and find it.
You do not have a Texas driver license. You are not allowed to drive. I don't care what you have to do in this life. I'm now ordering you to obtain a portable device that you're going to take with you everywhere you go to prove to us that you're not consuming alcohol. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail.
I'm not showing the driver's license.
I don't know if you have a problem with drugs or alcohol. If you do, you better address it, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you. And Mr. Perez, I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission, you go to jail and immigration finds you, they may very well put a detainer on you, and you will be in custody for an extremely long time. Do you understand? Do not drive. Don't consume alcohol. Do not consume anything that has alcohol in it. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. If they tell me they cannot get a hold of you, then likewise, a warrant will issue. We will have you come up, sign your paperwork, and after that, you'll be free to go. Thanks, guys. Okay, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hi.
Two cases, first one last name Polly, who was said trial.
Okay, let me see.
It was put on.
Is it jail case or bond?
No, bond.
Oh, I see it. It's kind of early.
Yes.
You still want to?
Well.
Have you have you guys done an eval yet?
Yes, we.
You did? Okay, all right.
Whatever you're available.
Thanks for being, I don't care. It's early though, so I don't care. You pick it with Ramona.
And then the other one, I was just assigned last name Hawk.
Hawk?
Yes, now he's in custody and he has had 14 criminal trespasses in the last 2 years. Also on the DIMS, he was punching cars. Would you be willing to sign a motion for competency eval?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, obviously maybe we can do mental health.
Something.
You know, right.
But
I
obviously, I
would-
don't think mental health care will work out because they have to release him in order for him to go to a place and so.
But they have people that'll come pick him up and take him and show him at Emmett Center, and they can at least show him what kind of resources they have. It's a thought. It's up to you, whatever you want. But yeah,
At
just,
least, if he's been in the system this many times, I would like to get mine.
yes, I'm with you. Just file it, I'll sign it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And then,
Oh, and his bond.
oh,
Shall we see?
what was his last name?
Last one was Cox.
I don't see.
He's in
Hawk,
there for $5,000 for criminal trespass.
H.A. Hawk, like,
COX.
oh, cock.
I saw that, I was like, what? And now I don't.
Oh, that's a lot of trespasses.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Give it
The
to me.
bond, I'll leave it as is.
All right,
I'll just, yeah,
thank you.
okay. Hi, good morning.
OB9.
There we go.
She was in PCI this morning.
Is she here?
She is.
Good. She done TRAS?
Yeah.
We'll send her now and we'll give you 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
One more, Mr. Tolentino.
Okay.
Same thing with him, but he's already done his TRAS. No, I'm sorry. His contract. He's already done his TRAS and everything, so we just need a little time to get him.
I'm not giving you a lot of time. It's still over 200 days old. So
Get the device.
yeah, we'll give you a week. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes, ma'am. Hey,
Hey, Judge.
good morning.
Good morning. Your Honor, I have two cases on your docket.
Sure.
First of which is Mr. Skylar Gordon Jennings. Batista has approved him today for tier 3. They'd had some time that was necessary to find the seeker, but my understanding.
Great. So is he here?
He is here.
We'll send him for a TRS today and then we'll give you a couple weeks to finish it up.
Thank you.
Okay.
I also have Mr. Perez, who's also approved to tier 2. I would just look for the same thing. Judge.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, for sure.
I didn't hear the court say a specific date, so I didn't bring it up. I'm
On
out
which
the week
one?
of 4th of July. So can we do setting like 7/7?
Well, that's even further and it's already 200 days old, man. I mean, I was going to give you less than that. I was going to give you 2 weeks.
Whatever the court says.
Yeah, 2 weeks should be sufficient to get an interlock and get everything done.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you ready? Hi, Mr. Prince.
Judge, I've got Mr. Tyrone Brown, and according to the coordinator, that case is 176 days.
Yeah, where do you want to go?
We just got an offer for mental health PTI. I'm gonna contact him today, appearance is waived, and we'll get him started on that.
Yeah, we'll give you 2 weeks to finish everything up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all
Will
right,
do.
no more waived after today as
No,
well.
no more. I
Yeah.
got you. I'll reset it for 2 weeks. Also, Judge, I've got, Miss LaShante Angel, ANGE.
In jail or bond?
The last name.
Yeah, but in jail or,
She's in jail. Yes, sir. She's in custody. I'm covering this case for another max attorney.
okay,
It appears that Miss Angel has picked up a new theft case.
let me,
She's on bond for one, and it looks like she picked up one. And so I think, I think they'll be able to review.
yes, let me just pick, let me see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I'm now going to revoke the first one and I will make it 5,001. And then, did she get a PR bond on the second one?
No, sir. It looks like there's a $5,000 bond on the second as well. From what I can see.
I have one 5,000 and then I have one 100.
Yeah, I'm gonna revoke the one that's in, why is she still in custody? Weird, right? I'm showing bond made on,
Yeah, she says that the bond has been made, but that, I think she's waiting for it to process through.
got it. All right, well, regardless, she picked up, this is her 4th theft case. I mean, really.
Gotcha.
5,001 on the old. I'll leave the new one as is.
Okay.
Whatever is done there, but just no more PR bonds, man. This is really. So where are the thefts? Hey, deputy, do you mind bringing Miss Angel? Please out.
Yes, I'm not mistaken. I think it was a Target. Yeah.
Are they all at Target?
She keeps doing it.
Well, but are they all at Target?
I'm checking right now. It looks like they're at Target.
All of them?
I'm showing 2, but yes,
Yes, I'll text him.
they're both at Target.
I guess what I'd like to do is put a GPS monitor on her and somehow tag every single target so that if she ever goes back to a target, we can revoke the bond again. I don't know if you can, that's a lot of targets. How else do you do it, though, man? You know?
Used to be a historic choice. I'm a Home Depot man, so. Of course.
Good morning, Miss Angel. The only thing we asked you to do was number one, don't go to Target. Number two, don't pick up any new cases. No, it's just actions speak louder than words. Everybody tells me, right? But it's when they get out in the free world, it's, just, no. Well, I brought you out to let you know that I'm going to put a GPS monitor on your ankle and I'm forbidding you from going to any Target whatsoever for any reason. And we're going to tag every single Target location on your GPS monitor. So if you go to one, it's going to ding. I don't know if you're going to bond out, but if you do, I'm just going to keep revoking your bond. Don't go to Target.
Yes.
I'm now going to revoke your bond on the first one, and I'm raising it to 5,001. Should you pick up a fifth theft case, I'm going to go bonkers on your bond, on all of them. Do you understand? Actions speak louder than words ever do. Just really, you've picked up a new case and there's nothing at this time. Just really, stop. Just let me impart to you one thing. I have a 4-year-old son. I love him to death, but he's hell on wheels. And I'm constantly telling him, okay, bud, please don't do this. Does it again. But I told you, please, if you do it again, I'm going to spank you. Does it again. And I don't spank him. I just, come on. I told you 2 times. Does it a 3rd time. He said, sorry, Dad. What do you think that sorry means when it continues to happen? Is there any value to that sorry? We're now on number. No. Actions speak louder than words ever will. Do you understand? Stop. If you need resources, we have people here to help you. We can give you a darn iPad if you want. We can find you a place to stay. We can give you food to eat. They give you money. They give you rights.
I would like to, with those resources.
We have given you a lawyer. All you need to do is talk to them and then we can figure out. We have social workers, or they have social workers on staff. We have resources. We can find you a job. All you have to do is ask. But if you pick up a new case, if you go to Target, I'm telling you, I'm going to lose even more hair than I have. Do you understand? I don't want to lose any more hair.
I don't want you to.
Great. Okay. Please. We need to sign conditions though. All right. Every single Target.
Good morning, Judge Macker.
Yes, please.
Judge, I was working on this, who is in custody.
Who?
Avalos, AVALOS.
Okay, I got it. So what's the deal, Pickle?
Judge,
Oh, she picked up a felony case. Yeah, I'm not going to give her another PR bond. I'll leave it as is. Now it's at 2501, but I'm not going to she picked a DWI with a child, really. Yeah, so, yeah, ixnay on the PR bond, please, from Ms. Avalos. And then whatever you want, if you want to set it for a week, 2 weeks, whatever. Do you think we should put any more conditions?
No, Judge, she has here right now, she does have the line to deal with already, but returning that she reached out to the felony about this as well. They're just waiting on, they're waiting on labs and stuff, they don't have any of that right now. So, as it is right now, we're asking for a waiver and then waiving TC, but that is all done.
Yeah, well, I think, yeah, PC has already been found. Do you anticipate her making a bond?
I hope so, Judge. I don't, she has told me that this is not something that she can afford, and that is why I was approaching on it. She's a young girl, she's trying to get her life together. She didn't know she was out on a warrant.
We gave her 2 PR bonds.
Judge, from what she told me that she had no idea, she said that her previous attorney, the case was taken care of, and that's what she put as the words taken care of, meaning like it was dismissed.
I don't think she even had a lawyer. She never even made it here so we could even give her a lawyer. Yeah, so, hey, so GPS monitor prior to release for Ms. Avalos, just because we can't get her to come back. So I'll leave it at 2501, but I'm just not going to give her any more PR. She's already been given 2 and I can't.
Understood.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you,
then,
Maggie.
yes, ma'am. Hey, Mr. Nooley.
Judge, we have a one violation and the translator of Mr. Garcia Mendes.
Okay.
Manolo.
He was ordered to obtain a portable device and he never did. Did he get a portable device?
He has not. He reported to our office.
I ordered you to get a portable device. That was your bond condition. Did he get it?
He has not gotten it.
Let me interrupt. What happened was that according to him, he went to the place. They even sent him an email and told him to come back in 4 days. He got the adult speech language. When I spoke to him, he told me that when he went there, they circled his place and counted 1, 2, 3 days for him. And they displayed the same thing to run, but they told him to come back in 4 days. And I asked him, why did you not report the first day they told you to report? According to him again, he said nobody told him. That's what he explained to you, correct?
We told you. Our pretrial service officers told you to go report that day. So you failed to go report yourself. I don't know what to tell you, Mr. Manolo Garcia, but you seem to understand now.
The court interpreter was used. So he was spoken to inspect.
I'm sorry, Mr. Noli, but I mean,
No, I'm just telling you what he reported to you and you were there, wasn't it?
we ordered him to get a device
Yes,
that day. He just didn't go.
He did not do it, and I asked him why. And he told the translator that he did not understand the instruction. That was what was concerned. So I told him, if you did not understand the instruction, why did you not ask them before you did it? He said that when he called them, they told him to report as soon as possible. And that was why he came on a Tuesday. That's what he told him.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have to revoke your bond. You will be going to jail.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm sorry, Mr. Noli.
One I would present how much?
You tell me, what do you want?
You can't get a PR from the game.
No,
It's most reasonable.
I mean, Mr. Newley, I love you and everything, but I mean,
Yeah, no, I'm just saying.
give me something reasonable and I'm with you.
6,000?
What do you think?
Just checking your thoughts, Judge. Yeah, that'd be fine.
All right, so 1,001. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's going with you. I mean, really. Sebastian.
I'm looking for original on her case, Mayona. Moved out, I'll dismiss it and send it to, the Harrison.
Sure.
There should be some.
Okay. All right, I'll send as soon as I get it.
To wrap up this incredible docket, this Texas judge did not hold back today. From revoking bonds for defendants who pick up new charges, to threatening inpatient rehab for high-blow DWIs, to literally GPS tagging every Target store to stop a serial shoplifter, the courtroom was a masterclass in tough love and judicial creativity. The overarching takeaway: the court has zero tolerance for repeat offenders who ignore bond conditions. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.